As a couple, we prayed for a gift of a child, and Mother Mary answered our prayers. After this news, Ellen had to go back, and soon after a few days, I followed him. Not only our married life, but also our pregnancy journey started. It was difficult for me with all my morning sickness, but with my husband by my side, everything seemed so amazing. The journey was beautiful. Listening to her heartbeat for the very first time, all the hospital appointments, my husband was besides me, getting her room ready, bringing her pram, speaking to her when she was in my belly, and she reacting to it was the most beautiful thing. Also made sure all my cravings were satisfied. Finally, our baby arrived, and watching him turn from my husband to the father of my child was the best moment of my life. He's sleepless nights so I can get the maximum rest that I require, making sure she burps after every feed, cleaning her pamper, doing all her work, in fact, even coming along with all her appointments and important documentation. Thank you, husband, for being the best father to our child. Happy 1 month, father. This journey was beautiful thanks to you. We love you and God bless you.